Richard Mabey presents.
Hello, YouTube friends. This is Richard Mabey with Richard Mabey Presents. It is Thursday morning, May 2nd, 2024 at 9:39 in the morning. You can hear, possibly, I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, the chirping of the birds in the background. I'm on the back porch, aka in Florida, the lanai. And what a show, what a show, what a show have planned for today. Got my old, I'm sipping a cup of tea, got my Batman mug, and this is like the 19 Bob Kane 1950s Batman. You know, they took little snippets, blocks of the 1950s, early 1960s Bob Kane Batman and put them into a coffee mug. And my sister had bought this for me for my birthday last year. So here's the Bob Kane. So, I know a lot of you have been asking, what's the best way to get on my sister's Mercari site? The best thing to do is to put in the search, go on Mercari, Mercari, put in Batman comics, and then we have quite a few Batman comics up. So filter down till you see EC Mabey, M-A-B-E-Y, EC M-A-B-E-Y. And then click onto that comic book, that Batman comic book, and that'll take you to my sister's Mercari store. Guess what? Guess what today is? Oh man, it's like the best show ever. Woody Woodpecker. Woody Woodpecker. These are old Woody Woodpecker cartoons. I love Woody Woodpecker. Look at these comic books. Look at that artwork. Walter Lance. Genius creation. Woody Woodpecker. Oh, I forgot my magnifying glass. Oh man, one of these days I'm gonna get organized. One of these days I'm gonna get organized. Oh, look at this. Here's the cover without the poly bag, but look at this, the Schwinn Mark II Jaguar. Oh man, they were the days. Oh, I tell you, man, summertime. Have that quarter in my pocket, you know, riding my bike down to Moe's Sweet Shop and then buying 2 comic books. They were 12 cents each. And well, this is the days these are from the 10 centers, but I guess it was from about the summer between 5th grade and 6th grade. I started riding my bike down to Moe's Sweet Shop, about a mile down the road on Main Street, and get 2 comic books or one 80-page giant. And man. Oh, I tell you, what a great way of. This is Woody Woodpecker number 40. Oh, I gotta get the. Oh man, I really need the magnifying glass. 46, June 1957. Oh, Dairy Queen. They used to have these little. It's like pickup sticks, but they had like little garden tools. Free game at the Dairy Queen. How cool is that? This is what was this? June 1957. Was seven? Oh wow! Look at these graphics. 7-Up ad in the background, in the back cover, back inside cover. Look at that. Look at the graphics on that. How cool is that? 7-Up. You don't see 7-Up much anymore. You see. I see Sprite, but I don't see 7-Up much anymore. Oh, look at this artwork. What I used to do when I was a kid is I read each I got some erasers. No, but I would write red on it, and there it is, Woody Woodpecker. Great comic book. Man, I'll tell you. Whew. This is I don't know. I'm gonna go very good, possibly fine condition. 1957 Woody Woodpecker. Moving right along here. He's cracked me up. These Woody Woodpeckers crack me up. This one's in bad shape though. It's a shame. There's Woody. He's going fishing and he's got his I don't think it was his buddy. I think it was more of his enemy, that guy. Let's see here. Got it in the old poly bag. Oh, this is a shame. This is in rough condition. This is a real shame. Look at, oh man, this breaks my heart. This tear line here. Let's see for ads here. This one didn't. June 1955, number 31. I'm really afraid this is just hanging on by a thread. There's the first page, first block of the storyline. Oh, I love this Woody Woodpecker. Hey guys, it cracks me up. Woody Woodpecker, he's looking at the store window. Wake up to music with a clock radio. It cracks me up, this stuff. So anyway, he buys the clock radio. He cracks me up. So he goes to sleep. There he is, all comfy in his bed. Getting some Z's there. Now the next block, it clicks. The radio alarm clock clicks. Clock radio clicks. Now the music starts blaring. Here he is. The sun's rising, the music's blaring. So then it's singing Rockabye Baby, and he goes back to sleep. It cracks me up, this stuff. So this is Woody Woodpecker number 31, June 1955. No ads in this one. This is what aggravates me. There's no ads in this whole comic book, but I can't send it media mail because, like the lady said, no comic books, they have advertisements in them. Aggravate me. Woody Woodpecker number 23 from November from 1954. What a great cover. It cracks me up. Let's see here, number 23. Let's see what month this is. 1954. February 1954. Ooh, the cover's real loose. It's still intact, but it's loose. Oh man, no ads in this one. Oh, this is beautiful. I don't want to open the cover is stapled intact, but I just don't want to open it wide, and it's a great comic book. What's this? I put something in the back here. What's this about? Oh, it's a church bulletin. I am a great fan of lighthouses. So I have here, I saved this church bulletin from May 4th, 2014. almost exactly. What are the? You're not gonna believe this. Look at that. May 4th, 2014. So it was 10 years ago. So I have set the Lord always before me. Psalm 16, verse 8. And the reason I saved it because I love lighthouses. So this one really just Grace Baptist Church in Bellevue. I just love that. I love lighthouses. I've always wanted to climb up a lighthouse. It's on my bucket list. But what are the odds? Today's May 2nd, 2024. This was almost 10 years ago to the day. 10 years ago to the day, and it was in the back of in the poly bag of my Woody Woodpecker comic book, number 23, from February 1954. I wasn't even a year old. Let me see, more Woody Woodpecker. 1959, Woody Woodpecker. I forget the children's names. Let's see. I think one was called, the boy was called Splinter or something like that. I don't know. 1959, comic album Woody Woodpecker. Let's see, March 1959. What's this? Ooh, travel to France for 10 cents. Who falls for this stuff? Travel to France for 10 cents. Oh, it's a book. There you go. Travel to France for 10 cents. And, wow. Oh my God, there's a small print. You had to, the first book was 10 cents, but you had to $1 shipping, but you had to agree to buy 6 more, but they don't tell you how much they are. American Geographical Society. They're, National Geographic. They're trying to, capital, oh, hey, American Geographic and National Geographic, it's almost the same thing. Doesn't tell you how much the next 6 are going to be. It doesn't tell you. Wow. Who falls for this stuff? Me. Oh yeah, no ad. No, that's the only ad. So I can't send a medium meal. Come on. Ooh, look at the old lettering here. This I can hold up a little better. Look at that. Look at that artwork. I love that lettering. The Woody Woodpecker lettering there. This is great. I'm having fun. Let's see. I'm 13 minutes into the show. Here's Woody's sweeping the floor, the ground, and he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 donuts on the broomstick, and he's eating one. This was a walrus. I forget, his Wally Walrus or something like that. It really wasn't his friend. It was more like his kind of his enemy. They used to always fight and stuff. Kind of like Popeye and Bluto, or Brutus, whatever they, Woody Woodpecker, February. I don't know what year it is though. Let's see. Oh, I love Woody Woodpecker. Oh, these things are great. 1955. Look at that. No ads. No ads at all. Look at that. Great artwork. Great. Just look at that. Just great artwork. Phenomenal artwork. Good old Woody Woodpecker. A funny cartoon. Let's see, 15 minutes into the show. Woody Woodpecker, this was Dell. I don't know what happened. Dell went out of business, or Gold Key bought out Dell, but this is like the early 1960s. Dell became Gold Key. There's the Gold Key emblem, and they changed the whole look of the comic book cover. Kind of a more modern, hip, cool looking comic book. I'm having fun. You know, that's the main thing. You know, just I'm on the back porch. The birds are in the background chirping, and Opie and Florida are both on the front porch, grooving on the front porch. So sometimes they join me, sometimes they don't. Let's see. Look at that artwork, huh? And there is an ad. Ooh, slot racing. I used to have a little slot racing set up in my basement. HO. And a lot of fun with the race cars. This is hold on, be right back. So YouTube friends, I'm back. Where was I? Oh, the Gold Key Woody Woodpecker and the very cool Aurora HO slot racing advertisement. So this one can't go media mail. Let's see, anymore. No more ads. Now here's a clever trick. This is February 1966. They were reprinting the stories. Gold Key, they must have bought out Dell, and they were reprinting the stories. You see, reprinted by popular demand. They were reprinting the stories. So essentially, 12 cents, and you were getting a comic book of all reprints, which is cool because, maybe that's the first time, somebody bought this comic book first time they ever read those stories. So that's cool. Woody Woodpecker 38 from September of 1956. It's Woody Woodpecker. His cuckoo clock's got an umbrella for the leak in the in the roof. It cracks me up, this stuff. Oh, I'll tell you. Let's see here. That was so odd that I just happened to have that church bulletin, and it was from 10 years ago. What are the odds, Oh, this is nice. This is in good condition. This might even go for a very fine. And let's see, this is number 38, August 1956. Dopey Dan and Safety Sam Wrigley's Juicy Fruit Gum. I haven't seen Wrigley's Juicy Fruit Gum in ages. I mean, like at the convenience stores or the dollar stores, I have not seen Juicy. I don't even know if they're still in business. And that's the only ad. I'll be very careful about holding this up because this is so delicate. But there's the front page, the first page of the storyline. I love the way they did the graphics on the wording for Woody Woodpecker. Moving right along. Woody Woodpecker number 45, November 1957. I'll take a little sip of tea here. I love this mug. I just love this, like this oh, here it is here. POW sock, right here. Right. Where is it here? Where did I see it? Like, POW sock, 1950s, early 1960s. Bob Kane's Batman. 20 minutes into the show. So I said to myself, I keep it at 30 minutes. Hopefully I'll get through all these comic books. Woody Woodpecker, number 45, November 1957. I'm having a blast here. I'll tell you what. This is real art. This is real art. This is real literature. Woody Woodpecker. Ooh, the Schwinn Mark II Jaguar. That's a nice bike. $41.95. $42. Got you a beautiful, with the chrome and the headlamp. Beautiful bicycle. I love the graphics. You know, the kids running to buy a bicycle. You know, what else they got here? Here, a kid's jumping over the fence. Let's see what else they got. Here's a kid. He's climbing over the fence. Yeah, it's great. Ooh, 7-Up. There's a little green man from outer space. Oh, the cover came off of this one, but I guess Mom taped it for me. I love comic books even as a little child, a young child. 7-Up. What a great ad. Look at this. Little green man. 7-Up. I don't see 7-Up at all anymore. The convenience stores or, you know, grocery stores even. I don't see 7-Up. Ooh, boy, a lot of ads here. Can't go media mail on this one. Wrigley's Juicy Fruit Gum. What's wrong with this picture? Safety quiz. Let's see here. See, they were pretty clever, Juicy Fruit Wrigley's. They try to make it, you know, public service advertisement, you know. Now, what else I got here? The toy that grows, Jack and the Beanstalk. What do they do? They sell you, oh, you get to, you subscribe to, and you got seeds for this plant. And these little cutout, oh, it's kind of cute. You know, well, basically you got seeds and these cardboard cutouts. It's, you know, it's cute for subscribing to a Dell comic book. I'm getting a sore throat again. Well, I'm not getting a sore throat. I have a sore throat. 22 minutes into the show. That's quite a few ads here. Here we go. I can't remember. The children didn't call Woody Uncle Woody. I don't know what the story was, but if they were his nephew and niece, or what the story was. But great comic books. Woody Woodpecker 47, February 1958. There's Woody. He's ice fishing, but instead of just cutting out a hole, you know, a circle, he cuts out like a silhouette of a fish. It cracks me up, this stuff. Woody Woodpecker 47, February 1958. February 50. I was 4 years old. So, great comic books. Look at that. Look at that. This is probably, oh, well, if it wasn't for this little crease here, I don't know if you can see it. This little crease here, this would be actually a very fine, but that crease knocks it down to probably a very good. No ads. Look at this. This is artwork. This is real artwork. I don't care what anyone says. This is real artwork. This is Americana pop culture artwork, you know. Oh, my throat. Woody Woodpecker. The little boy and little girl woodpeckers made a seesaw, or I guess that's, seesaw, out of a fence. And there's Woody. Woody's coming along to be, you know, the mean old guy is going to fix it. You know, it cracks me up, this stuff. Oh, I love these comic books. Ooh. Hold on, folks. Be right back. YouTube friends, I am back with a special guest star, Little Opie. Dun, 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 bum, 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 bum. So, Opie, say hello to your fans. Opie, say hello to your fans. Opie. Opie, say hello to your fans. What's that? What's that noise out there? Wait. Oh, Opie's so much fun. All right. Woody Woodpecker number 10 in our top 10. Woody Woodpecker, basically of the 1950s, Dell comic books. Get a little Felix Unger there. Oh, this is in very fine condition. Beautiful condition. And of course, the Schwinn Jaguar. Let's see here. This is October 1957. This is a great. And again, the I don't know if I covered this before or not. The Little Green Man, Martians for 7-Up. Love 7-Up. And I love this. Here's page 1, the story opener. Cartoon block. Woody Woodpecker number 45, October 1957. This issue is in great shape. I mean, this is a very fine condition here. This is in great shape. So folks, thus ends another educational, exciting episode of Richard Mabey Presents, kind of going down the avenue of the golden age of comic books. Dell comic books, 10 centers, and specifically Woody Woodpecker with one gold key Woody Woodpecker. And I learned something new. I had not realized that gold key, when they either took over Dell or Dell changed the name to Gold Key, or whatever it was. Gold Key, for the most part, the Gold Key, I guess you'd call them funny books, you know, like the little animal cartoon characters. They were reprints. I know, like that. I didn't show the whole, but that Gold Key Woody Woodpecker comic book, it was all reprints from the Dell comics of the 50s. So please check out Mercari, EC Mabey. Got some good deals on some really great comic books. How do I get there? Put in Mercari, the search engine, Batman Comics. Go down until you see EC Mabey. Click on that, then click again, and that'll take you on to the EC Mabey YouTube store. All right. I got a lot to do today. So I'll get this edited. I always get confused. Edited, uploaded, downloaded, and out there, out to the universe. So please, if you like this video, or even if you did not like this video, please smash the like button. Leave some comments. I gotta give some replies to my comments. I have to do that today sometime. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There's no asterisk. There's no jack in the box. There's no fine print. It's totally free. Hit the bell, and then you'll get notices when I put up new videos. Why not? It's free. It's totally free. Why not? You know? So I'm going to close. So stay happy, stay positive, stay healthy. This is Richard Mabey and Little Opie signing off.